Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to carve an image in Photopea. Let's begin. First of all, open your image or use this file. Go to File, open and place your image. Step on, right click raster. Then step on, go to Edit tab. So transform control warp and carve. Use custom carve. Okay, and step 2, edit puppet warp and carve corner, then see this carve. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.